friends, I'm going to teach you today how to make a ninja star. For making it, we need two A4 sheets. So, I'll always take one side printed and one side plain, so the paper gets just used nicely. You have to make these both papers square. See? Hold it like this. And press it. Fold it, press it, nail it. Nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it, nail it. Now this part, fold it here. Fold it, press it, nail it, flip it and do here the same. And tear it. Don't think that it will not pair properly. If you can see, it tore so properly. It isn't square. See this, it tore properly. So you have to do the same with this side. I will do just one magic. See? See, it got it with just my snap magic. Okay, we'll discuss this later about magic. If you're thinking how to do that magic, just type on YouTube how to activate our magic in our body. They'll give you exercises, just do it. Magic will just get started in you. Okay, we'll learn how to make a ninja star. We'll carry on. Just fold it into half like this and press it and nail it. Do same. Do fold it again. Press it. Nail it. Take this part and see this side. Take this side and fold it to this side like this. Okay, there's a line here. See? Take this part and just on that line, fold it just in the middle. Same with the opposite. Obviously you have to nail it, because fold it, press it, nail it. Nailing is important. Now it is ready. Not almost. Flip it over. Now you see this and you even see this. Hold it like this. Oh, yeah. Fold it like this. See? So it becomes like this. Same with the other side. See, I even nailed here, okay? Don't forget to nail if I didn't told it. because the rule is fold it, press it, and nail it. See? And just now fold it like this. Now we need to nail, just press it. See, like this. Press it. No need to nail it. So it becomes like this when you open it. See, it was like this. Now it became like this. And I'm going to again use the magic. I'll just snap. It will happen same with the other side. Whoa! It worked! But sorry that I don't same with the other side. I have to same with the other paper. So, see, those both are opposite to each other. See, opposite. So flip this paper, and now they look same, but they don't. But this paper have these gaps in between. Don't worry, that's only for making the ninja star. Hold it horizontally and keep on this piece of paper like this, and take this one and keep here in the gap I told you. And see, with the same with here, obviously ninja star, bro. Wait, again I'll show you. Like this. Like this, see? It's half done. Same with this side. Oh, let's adjust. Yeah, done. And see, it will be more easy to just keep it inside this. See? And our ninja star is ready. Woo! It's ready! Yay! Now let's test it. We will throw it and test it. Now we will test it that it would just go like ninja star, real ninja star, like this or like this. Obviously it will just fall, but we will test it. So here is the ninja star. I'm going to throw it like this. Whoa, whoa! We'll again throw it. You saw? See? I can't record because it is very fast, so I can't just record with my left hand because I'm not left-handed. So when you will make this ninja star, just if you're living in an apartment like me, so you can just go down and just try in your apartment, or if you're living in your own house also, just go to the backyard, or if in your garden, in your own garden, and just throw it and check it. Whoa, where is it? Let's try it again, then it will get successful. Yes! Successful! Now, you will try throwing like this. It again came here. Again we'll try throwing it like this. Whoa! Whoa! Are you kidding me? Whoa! That was fast! But don't worry. Again. Okay. It didn't got successful. It's getting failed. It's not just swinging like this, but it's going like this like a real ninja star. Most ninjas are just even go like this and even like this. Let's try again. But Batarangs just go like this. In Batman's movie, in Justice League, Batarang will go like this. Phew, straight. The level will go like this. Let's try again. Okay. I have to tell it. It is fail! How did you like the video? See, we are throwing the ninja star straight. Throwing it like this, it's getting failed. But we are throwing it like this, it's getting successful. So, I can make you more paper videos. I can make from the paper anything you want. Just comment me below. Here, like my video and please subscribe. Oh, please subscribe to my video. Ring here and ring the bell icon also. And when you click on the bell icon, just keep the notifications all, not none or personalized. Oh, bye bye.